Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about join query in MySQL. Okay, here you can see I have active database, that is WebTechDB, and I have only one table, right? Student. So let me create another table. So here you can see we have student table and student next. So let's say I want to select all. Let's say all from a student. Uh, Student next, right? Student next, and here I'm going to say join the query. So I will say join this table student, right? Student. Okay, and I will say on a common column. Okay, so you have to give her a common column, and that is student number. We know that. Okay, so student. So we have to mention the as I'm fetching all the data from student next, so I have to write here at first student next dot student number is equal to student dot student underscore number. Why? Because the this column is actually common in two table, right? That is the reason actually we are joining through this two column. Okay, I mean this student number column. Okay, because the column is actually same in both table, in student next and student. Okay, here you can see student number. Okay, so now if I run it, you can see that we are fetching all the data from both table, right? Student ID. So let's say I want to show that this student ID and this student ID, you can see both are same, right? So we don't need to actually fetch them, right? So how you can do this? You can actually say here that okay, I want select not all. Actually, I'm going to select, let's say, student dot student underscore ID, comma, I want student dot student underscore name, let's say. Okay, and I want student student underscore next dot email, let's say. Okay, sorry, student email, right? Student underscore email, and actually I'm going to break the line. Okay, so I'm actually fetching the student ID from the student table, student name from the student table, but student email from the student next, and I'm going to say here student underscore next table dot the column, and that is student what number, right? Student underscore number. Okay, now I'm saying here that from student next, and now execute the query, and here you can see we have student ID, name, email, and student number. There is no data redundancy, right? So this is how actually you can join a table, I mean both table. You can join multiple table. It's not fixed that you can only join two table. You can actually join multiple tables. What you have to do, you just have to select from a single table, and every single table should have a common column. Okay, I mean the column actually contain same value in let's say multiple tables. Okay, so if student number, let's say I have here multiple student table, and in every single table if student number is same, then actually we can join. Okay, we can join through it. And here you can see we have everything like before: select, query, then from the a single table name, okay, any of the table, and then join other table. Okay, if multiple, then you can actually write here multiple table name, and then on, it means on the basis of which column. So from the student next table, student number is equal to student table student number, because the student number is common in both table. All right, that's it. I don't know you understand or not, but I hope you understand, because for me this is easy, but I don't know if it is your first time, maybe that will be very tough for you. But if you do some practice, I hope you will understand. It will be very easy for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.